Jopuonjre mag skunde primara kod mag sekondar makwan gi romo 250 mawuok e gwenge machiegni kod kar rito lee mag bungu ma Tsavo oyudo mich kaluwore kod tich magisetimo e jiwo arita ne lee. Jopuonjrego mawuok e kauntis 7 ma ogo tong' gi kar rito lee ma Tsavo osebedo ka dhi nyime kod chenro mar jiwo arita kaachiel kod yore mag tieko chandruoge e rito lee mag bungu Tsavo. Marumo skunde 137 gin mago manie ong'ala manyime e jiwo arita e bwo chenro mar Africa Wildlife Foundation.
I wrote this essay to inspire people, educate them to know what wild animals are very special to our community, how they help us and their benefits. One of the benefits are like tourism. Tourism, they attract tourists, both local and all over the world. When they come, they bring us foreign money, which helps us to import goods from other countries when we want goods like machines without depleting our own currency.
We decided to target the young people of this country, the young people of this landscape, empowering them with conservation knowledge so that through creativity, hands-on activities, they can acquire the skills and the knowledge that they need to conserve not just the wildlife, but also the biodiversity that is found in this vast Tsavo landscape.
Our main target is to work with schools, the young kids, especially in primary schools. And for us, we are looking at them as people who are going to be advocates, as people who are going to be champions for nature conservation. So we are doing that as a sustainability measure. We are not expecting our children to go be conservationists like us. We believe that whatever field they will be in, they will be champions of conservation.
We see you, we believe you knew, and the environment needs you. That is the message. The awards you are receiving today, that is the message. Tunakuona, tunakuhitaji, yeah? Na tunaamini ya kwamba it is possible for you to take care of this environment and change the status it is in to a better one.